Hello everyone, my name is Salem Emmanuel. So today I'll be showing you how to set up your CANAL Plus dish and how to do your first installation. Yes, how to do first installation of your CANAL Plus. So the first step we are to set up the dish, command the dish, command the dish to track 22 degrees west. After tracking 22 degrees west, we connect the dish to the decoder without using a preset switch. Connect the dish to the decoder and do the scan. So we are going to see all this process in this video. So watch this video to the end. So we have to do the setup of a dish. So this is the setup. I did the setup completely, and after doing the setup, I had to track my 22 degrees west. 22 degrees west is for CANAL Plus. So I had to track my 22 degrees west. After tracking my 22 degrees west, I had to use a connector, put it on the cable and connect it to the LNB and link that cable to the decoder. So this is the scan process. This is the scan process. After the decoder has been already scanned, it is going to show you the software if it's added or updated. Then after that, it shows you playing the new, which means welcome. Yes. So after this, now the decoder needs to reload. That is, you can see the booting stage. Then after it starts showing, it needs to repeat and start showing. So that is it. That was the update to utilize the channel. So when you finish session, you get 4 plus.
So you can see this
this is
CANAL
Plus.
But in CANAL Plus, we have some star times channels there, we have TST and the rest. So it's combined. So now I've updated our system in such a way that we can have English channels there and French channels, but most of the times the French channels are there. So this is African Magic Epics. We have African Magic Epics. We have, yes, both English and we have both English and French. So this is the list of channels. We have about 500 channels here. So this is showcase. That is African Magic Showcase. Then Mnet movies. This is Mnet movies. This one also is English. Mnet movies for this Mnet movies for. You can see. This is Super Sports. English. Super Sport. Super Sport Liga. Yes. And so forth. So those are the channels. So we have also radio channels here. This one is for radio stations. Yes, so can call me for your installation anywhere.
So if you want to do a subscription, press on any button and go to look for my subscription. Click on it and you are going to see a subscription number. When you see that subscription number, copy it and call the CANAL Plus service office and send that number that are going to do the subscription for you.
Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks very much.
Please like, share and subscribe.